The all-new Frontier doesn't just deliver on power, capability, maneuverability, and tech. It also offers the practicality that allows you to do weekday work and take on weekend adventures. Both the King Cab and Crew Cab configurations come with a standard 6-foot-long bed, while on the Pro 4X Crew Cab version, a shorter 5-foot bed offers maximum off-road maneuverability. The bed is easily accessible thanks to newly standard dampening tailgate and closure assist, and the available built-to-last factory spray-in bed liner is prepared to take on job after job. Adventure gear of all shapes and sizes is secured using Nissan's utili-track system with 3 channels and tie-down utility cleats. And at any time of day or night, improved under-rail LED lighting. An available 400-watt, 120-volt power outlet in the bed and another inside the rear easily power a wide variety of indoor and outdoor accessories. With its fully boxed, full-length ladder frame and available factory-installed Class 4 tow hitch receiver with trailer sway control, Frontier is ready to tow up to 6,490 pounds with authority. From Monday through Sunday, the all-new Nissan Frontier has your back.